How to fix Google Photos face recognition not working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Play Store, tap on the search icon, and search for Google Photos. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to home screen, open up Settings application, and go to Apps. Go to App Management and find Google Photos. Now click on Force Stop. Go to Storage Usage, tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.